Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going out. You and I are going out on trekking exercise. So I want to take you guys around my community, my estate. Let's see how far we can go. Me, I'm not going to go far. Just, where's my key myself? So, stepping out. I like to see, because I actually want to get something. There is a leaf I want to get for us, but I don't know if it will be possible to get it. But if I cannot get it, then maybe we'll look for another thing. Okay, so it's like rain. No, rain want to fall. It's like rain want to fall. Let me just we are still moving. I live in an estate, yes, and in this estate we have duplexes and we have bungalow. So it's like I'll take you on a tour, yes, so that I can see this environment. You will love it, yes, because it's very, very quiet. It's very quiet in this place, and you see people are buying houses here. They buy the house and they modify it to their own taste, yes. And here I think a bungalow goes for 8.5 million naira. That is a 3-bedroom flat, on a very massive land. Because even when you buy a 3-bedroom flat here, you can also build another house even on that land that is remaining in the compound after making your gates. And you can see the duplexes, you can see the duplexes, and very, very massive. It's a 4-bedroom duplex. They also have a boys' quarter downstairs, yes. So people buy it. I think the duplex goes for like 25 million naira or so. So when you buy it, you modify it. I want to show you guys some of the modified ones. They are more beautiful. These ones are untouched. These ones have not been modified yet, but the individual ones that have been modified, I want to show you how they look. We've not been able to find the purple leaf yet, but I will surely find it. I want to show you guys something. This is a neem tree. This is a neem tree. In the northern part of Nigeria, we have a lot of neem, neem tree. And this neem tree, neem leaf, as you can see, is very, very, is highly medicinal to the body. And you can do so many things with it. I want to collect it. I want to collect some and show us. Look at it. This is a neem leaf. You can pound this and use it to correct acne on your face. Like those ones that are having reaction on their face, pimples, rashes, and then even burnt reaction. You can use it. You can boil it and drink it to cure fever, any type of fever. You can use this to cure it. And you can also you can dry this neem leaf. The dried leaf of it can be burned in the house like an incense to chase out spirit of sickness in the house. Very, very effective. Neem this neem leaf that you're seeing, look at the tree there. So we have a lot of them here, but I just want to let me pause here and show you guys this one. If you have opportunity to get this neem, you are very, very lucky. You can use it to do so many things. You can use it to detoxify your body. Yes, you know, it's an antioxidant. It is a very good antioxidant, you know. Once in a month, once in a week, once in a while, you can boil it and drink it. And you can actually take some leaves, few leaves from the neem tree, blend it, filter it, add water to it, drink it. It will detoxify your body. You understand? It will purge you, cleanse your body, cleanse your system. You will sweat out sicknesses and diseases from your body. This is neem. Neem is a general name, but in the north here, the Hausa name for it is dogoyaro. Yes, dogoyaro. And what do they call it in my language? Something onugba or something like that. I don't know the name in my language, but I know this is dogoyaro, and this is neem tree. It's very, very good.
Simple solutions to life.
Yeah, you can see these are some of the modified ones. Some people bought their own. I think there is a pawpaw tree over there, so at least you can see it. These ones are modified ones in the estate. So some of these people, when they get it, they now turn it into a very beautiful place, you know, like this. And it looks very fine. Look at this picture. Just look at this. And then look at this. There are two contrasting things, you know. Yes. They don't look alike. Oh. People just buy their own. They just transform it into something very fine. Yeah. Me, I can't transform my own because it's not my house. It is a staff quarters. I'm living there as a staff. So, if I want to modify my own house, I have to go and buy my own and then turn it to the way I want it. So, that is that. You can see all these ones there, the ones that are not modified. I think that tree I'm looking for is not on this street. Come. You can see we are still trekking, and at this point I feel like running. Yeah, just add some little energy. Guys, look at this one. You can't see the beauty of the house from this camera. Yes, this is really, really looking very beautiful and well arranged, well put together. So this one also is fine, and I think I must find what I'm looking for us today. Can't find it. This video never complete. Shy. So it's not far from this place. Yes. Now I want to show us this tree. Yes. Look at the tree here. This is the tree I'm talking about. I think we need a good closure, yes, so that you can see it better. Look at the leaf, look at the body of the tree, look at the leaf. This is the leaf. You know, at times it grows very small, then it becomes a very big, you know, tree, very tall, you know, and then the leaf is what you'll be needing. The leaf is what you'll be needing. Like, look at it here. So if you happen to find this leaf in your community, say goodbye to typhoid fever, goodbye to small sicknesses in your body. This one is a very strong cure and treatment for typhoid. Look at the way the body of the tree is. Okay, this, you just collect this one, boil it in a pot for like 3 hours or 2 hours, let it boil, then you bring it down, drain the water, keep it in your fridge, take a glass of the water of the herb once in a day. You take it for 5 days or even for 3 days. You will not visit the hospital again. You will not. You won't go to the hospital again. This is highly medicinal. This is like magic. Yes, this herb is like magic. It cures typhoid fever. Anyway, guys, I couldn't get the purple leaf, but at least I had the opportunity of showing you guys around my estate. Yeah, this is an estate built by the state government, Jigawa state government. Yes, so it is a place where people, government, it was meant for government officials, but later on they gave it out to individuals, and they are operating on owner occupier. Yes, you can see this one is under construction. Somebody bought this one and is beautifying it, trying to modulate it into his own house, into his own. So people have different tastes, and there are more beautiful ones around here, but due to time and because I'm actually looking for something, so I won't be able to go around the whole place to show you guys the beautiful ones. And our precious treasure, purple leaf, that I'm looking for, because some people will tell me they don't know what a purple leaf is. That is why I want to show you guys. Check out this one. This is really tasty. Yeah, this is looking very, very beautiful. Yeah, this is owned by somebody, and that belongs to another person, but it's like they copied almost the same kind of design, but a little bit different. So they are still working on this one, and they've really gone far. So this is what you get. There are places you go to in this estate that these are the only kind of houses you see. Yeah, so it's a beautiful place. It's almost night, and since we couldn't find the purple leaf we are looking for, let's catwalk back to the house. Yes, and at least we had a good time, you know, going out, trekking out today. So it's really a wonderful day, you know, walking around with you guys. And as you can see, we have places like this. So if you want to visit Jigawa State, yeah, Jigawa is very close to Kano. Jigawa is like 1.5 hour drive from Kano city. So in case you want to visit the northern part of Nigeria, you can come. You're highly welcome. There's no violence here, forget it. Everything, nothing do us here. Everything is fine. Yes, living a quiet life. You can go out and come back home peacefully. You can leave your door open, travel and come back and meet the door. Yes, and meet your house intact. This is the kind of place we are. It is a very, very peaceful place to be. As you can see, this is the end of the you can see this is an empty road, you know, very quiet, very lonely, you know, going down. So now let's go home, guys. See you again in our next video. I must show you guys pawpaw leaf. Yes, bye.